This tiny granule is made of CO2 from the air, and it will fundamentally change how we build our cities. With applications all over the built environment, our material is called made of air, and it uses urban growth to actively reverse climate change.
This is a carbon negative process, and this one is really interesting to us as architects because it's a material process. And what it is the creation of biochar. And biochar it's a really old technology. It's not really even fair to call it a technology because basically it's just photosynthesis. But what it does is take the burning of biomass, so anything that's absorbed CO2 in its lifetime, any agricultural waste, it's called stover after the fruit's been harvested from a field. The rest of the biological material can be burned in a pyrolytical chamber, you can see it here, into a stable form of carbon char, so you're actually getting atmospheric carbon into a material. Biochar sequestration means that you're actually taking carbon out of the sky, converting it into a material, and then using it to build. And then when you're done building, you take what you've built, shred it, put it into the earth. So you're essentially reversing the carbon flow.